hello, namaste Bharat. You are listening to Sri Padma Shri Radio 20.5 FM and it's me RJ Dhanush and with me
RJ Amulya.
today's school news. Dear parents, in other 2 days school gets reopened after the summer vacation. See that kids have completed their home assignment. Today's breaking news. Gambia urgently recalls India-made cough syrups planned for 66 child death.
Bob enters Heritage Madrasa in Karnataka on Dasra, performs puja.
Today's world news. Treatment of Uyghur Muslim. India among 11 nations to abstain on vote against China at UNHRC.
Putin's dream of Russian victory slips away in Ukraine. COVID news. China Xinjiang region hit with COVID-19 travel restrictions. General knowledge. Friends, today we are going to know about Mercury planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the sun. It orbits around the sun, takes 87.97 Earth days, the shortest of all the sun planets. It is named after the Roman god Mercurius. Mercury orbits the sun within Earth orbit as an infrared planet and apparent distance from the sun as viewed from the Earth never exceeds 28 degrees. This proximity to the sun means the planet can only see near the western horizon after sunset or the eastern horizon before sunset, usually in twilight. At this time, it may appear as a bright star-like object but is more difficult to observe than Venus. From Earth, the planet telescopically displays the complete range of phases similar to Venus and the Moon, which recovers our synod period of approximately 116 days.
Coming to today's weather report, today's temperature is 23 degrees Celsius, feels like mostly cloudy, and there is 70% chances of precipitation tonight, and today's wind is calm, and today's sun rises at 6:09 am and today's sun sets at 6:06 pm. Thank you, Bharat.
Let's sign off with me, RJ Amulya, and with me,
RJ Dhanush from Sri Padma Shri Radio 20.5